I will now add one contributor who would be a developer contributing features onto this project. And in order to do that, I need to go to settings here and I'll click on collaborators. Now with the new GitHub, there is a two-factor authentication here. So let me choose to use the GitHub mobile. I have a couple of other options also installed. Now what this does is, if you have the GitHub app installed on your phone, this would just push a notification and it'll ask me to, the moment I click on the notification, it'll ask me to re-enter these digits in a pop-up window. Once I do it, I do come back to the actual screen. Now there are also other options other than GitHub app. I believe Microsoft Authenticator also does that. Now back here, you see that there are no collaborators added yet. So you can add your team members here. How many will depend on the plan you are in. So currently, for the sake of demonstration, I will just add one person. So I do have another account of mine, which I am planning to use it as a developer. And the moment I click add, even though my side is done, you would actually see that a request would have gone to this developer. I'll be showing it shortly. And then he has to accept that, and hence you see the pending invite here. And what I'm planning to do is, I'll ask this developer to, let's say he's working on a feature called some X feature. I'll ask him to create a branch called feature X and keep working on that. And once he is ready to submit his changes, we'll see what the workflow has in store for us at that point. At this point, let me also show that if you look into the code and if you look into the branch, we only have one branch, which is the main branch. When you actually start off with GitHub, it calls the primary branch as the main branch. Whereas if you had started with Git locally, if you had created a project on Git locally, and if you later pushed it onto the repository, you might even see a name called master. They both are identical. So let's see what the developer does next.